She actually said almost every sentiment that I have.
Okay.
That the feeling that it was 6 years back, and we felt that we've kind of moved on from Laila Majnu, though it would keep coming up in conversation, and it would, to a point, started irritating me that बस करो हो गए 6 साल इस फिल्म को अब तो and तब क्यों नहीं देखने आए थे that was my feeling when they would share love. But now it's time, and it's
amazing,
you
yeah.
like, no matter what I say, it's the people who have brought it back. It's their love, and all I can do is join my hands and bow to them. I really hope it inspires everyone to believe that if, like Sir had said once, just focus on the good content.
Amazing.
We get over a period of time in the last 6 years that I've been part of the industry, there's so many things that you hear in your ears. ये करना चाहिए था, वो करना चाहिए था, ऐसे करना चाहिए, वैसे करना चाहिए, and this has almost given rest to all those conversations.
Well, it's a very, very special moment for all of us sitting here, I feel. It's been 6 years to the release of Laila Majnu, and आज जब मैं बाहर खड़ी थी सबके साथ, I think this was something that we did long back when our trailer was releasing. We had the same butterflies in our stomachs, and we have the same level of nervousness, same level of excitement, and this is just a very special feeling, I would say. And 6 साल हो गए हैं फिल्म को, बट मैं बहुत बार बता चुकी हूँ ये बात साजिद सर को, वो मुझ पे विश्वास नहीं करते थे पहले कि आज तक एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं गया है, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल डे वेर आई हैवंट रिसीव्ड अ मैसेज on my Instagram or Facebook for Laila Majnu. I mean, the kind of love that we've received for this film is
amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing. And जब हमने अनाउंस किया था एक्चुअली कि कश्मीर में फिल्म वापस रिलीज़ हो रही है, तो मुझे इतने सारे मैसेजेस आए फ्रॉम पीपल कि यार व्हाई नॉट इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, व्हाई नॉट इन लंदन, व्हाई नॉट इन दिल्ली, बॉम्बे. एंड जब मैंने कल पोस्ट डाला कि अब इट्स रिलीजिंग ऑल ओवर इंडिया, सो everybody is just extremely happy, and I think this is only possible because of their love. So I want to thank the audiences first, and then thank my entire team for making a film like this, because it is something that will always hold a very special place in my heart.
Thank you.